everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Cash App account. If you're done using your Cash App account and you'd like to get rid of it, you can easily close it by following the simple instructions. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your Cash App application from your app drawer in order to get started. This is the home page for your Cash App. In order to delete your account, you'll need to go to the top right hand corner and tap on the human icon from the main home page. Soon after you do that, scroll a bit down and click on Support. In the search box, simply type in Delete Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see some of the search results that are based on your search. Click on the first link that says Close your Cash App account. You can easily delete or close your account within the applications. Simply tap on the search result, and on the next page it says that closing your account for Cash App will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received and being sent as well, and you'll be signed out of all the sessions on your Cash App. If you want to confirm your selection and wish to continue closing your account, tap on the Confirm button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Cash App account right away. That is what you can do if you no longer want to use the Cash App application and get rid of your information from the app permanently. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.